Welcome to POUSE out of the house. In this video I'm going to show you how to quickly change a baffle on a Wings exhaust. My exhaust came with a larger, louder baffle in the exhaust and the smaller, quieter one loose in the box, so now I'm going to show you how to change them over. So first of all we need to pull off this rubber cap and take a 5mm Allen key, place it into the bottom of the hole and locate it into the nut. Rotate anti-clockwise to loosen it off. And if like mine yours is a bit tight, you can use the old ring spanner trick and give it a bit of leverage. And then it loosens off easily. And once loose, be careful not to lose the nut and washer on the floor like I did. This is the nut, however I've lost the washer, but we'll find it in a minute. Now using the pliers, grip hold of the baffle, being careful not to scratch the exhaust and just pull backwards. Now you can see the small quiet baffle on the left and the larger louder baffle on the right. So notice the washer on the other baffle, that's like the one we just lost. With the nut and washer removed, we can now slide in the replacement baffle. At this point I push the Allen key up into the exhaust, using it to locate the hole in the baffle. And once it pushes into the hole, we know they're lined up. I now take the nut and pinching the washer from the other baffle, I screw up into place using the Allen key. And once tightened up, I notice the lost washer hiding in the bottom of the exhaust, so I get a magnetic tip screwdriver and drag it out. I place the spare bolt and the spare washer back in the spare baffle for safekeeping, and then finally put the rubber cap back on the exhaust. So that is it, and if you found this video useful, could you please give it a like, as it would really help me out, and if you haven't done so already, can you please subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon for regular notifications. I've been POUSE out of the house. Ta-ta, farewell.